very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So as you have all been requesting me to film a makeup video, I am finally doing this for you guys and I'm so excited. So this is how the look has turned out. देखते रहना वीडियो में, you will know. So yeah, in today's video I am going to review these palettes from HOK Makeup. ये Makeup Revolution के palettes है. I got this for 1499, so you know this is a steal. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. I hope the offer is running right now, but yeah, in future भी वो offer आएगा वापस, so I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram if not. So guys, one palette is for 950 and I got this for 1499. So I was really thinking कि ये ओरिजिनल ही है ना करके, बट या गाइज ये टोटली ओरिजिनल है एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी प्लेड अराउंड with these palettes and they are definitely my favorite. So in today's video I'm going to play around with this palette and create this beautiful look, and obviously I'm going to swatch them for you guys in the end of the video. Now quickly jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay, so guys, we are going to start with obviously eyes. I have already done my base off camera and I'm good to go for my eyes. So to start with, I'm going to apply concealer because I need a good base to start blending the eyeshadow. So I'm taking this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline and this is in the shade Honey. So I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids. As you can see, concealer always creates a good base, you know, so that your eyeshadow can easily blend in and stay for a good period of time. I'm going to take this brush. So guys, all the brushes that I'm going to use are from Inglot. So basically this is a flat brush and it does not have a number because I picked up an entire set of it and I'm just going to blend it in. Okay, so now we can start with the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this palette to create the eye look and this is the Marvelous Mattes from Makeup Revolution. Obviously this is how it looks, and I think I'm going to start in with the pink color. I think I should praise myself that I have selected a very dangerous look for myself. So I'm going to play with all the colors. I love colors, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to use this one right over here and I'm going to take this brush from Maybelline. Okay, I'm just see. Okay, I'm quite impressed with the pigment. So just dust it over here ऐसे so that the excess falls out. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to start going in. So you just have to go in circular motions. That's what I have learned by far. You have to go till the depth of your eyes, matlab till over here. I think colors take a lot of time to build up, so you have to keep on blending it, building it up, and you have to keep on going in for more color to intensify the color to make it pop basically. I'm going to do a cut crease look, so I'm not going to bring it niche tak itna. So I'm just going to blend it in my inner corner, outer corner, sorry. So I'm only going to do one eye on the camera and then I'm going to do one eye offline because I'm going to explain everything. By far I'm really lacking the pink color, you guys, and yeah, I think it is pigmented. I'm going to do it from here as well. So now I'm going to go with a light pink color because I want to soften the edges. So I think I'm gonna use this one over here. So I'm just going to take it and start lightening the edges because I want to give it a softer look. So I'm just going to start doing this. Okay, that's about the pink. Guys, now I'm going to cut the crease using some concealer. Now I've learned this by watching tutorials again. So basically you apply concealer and then you look up and then you get this thingy. So that's where you have to cut the crease. Now again going to take the flat brush and start blending the concealer in. Okay, now I'm done blending the concealer and now I'm going to use the blue color to fill in the blanks. I clearly can't explain. Okay, so I'm going to use this color over here, and yeah, let's go. I'm going to take a flat brush to do this, the same flat brush which I used to blend the concealer. Okay, and I'm just going to pat it. Oh my god, इसके बहुत ज़्यादा fallouts है. I think I have to spray some makeup fixer to fix this. Yeah, see, now it is quite pigmented. Are you guys able to see this on camera? I really don't know. It is not popping the way I expected it to pop, honestly. I think I'm going to use my fingers now. It's quite a poppy color. I don't know what's happening. मेरे fingers के साथ अच्छा set हो रहा है. I think now you can see it popping. I have to use my finger. So usually you have to apply metallics with your finger to make sure they sit on your eyes properly. I'm just gonna brush off the excess over here. Okay, so I'm just going to take the pink color ka brush again, and I'm just going to blend it to make it look like one. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to do my lower lash line over here, and now I'm going to go in with the green color right over here. I don't know why I'm holding this. Yeah, I'm going to go in with the green color, this green color over here. Okay, I think I can see the green color, can you? I hope this turns out to be nice. Okay. I'm happy with the green, you guys. Green is quite good. So this is how it looks by far, like with the pink, blue and green. And now for the inner corners, I'm going to go in with yellow. This yellow over here. This one. I hope it pops out. I think I'm going to go and use my hands because I don't want to mess up the look. Okay, it looks good on my finger. Guys, can you see? Okay, I'm liking the yellow. I'm liking the yellow. I'm happy about the yellow. Wow, this is the only shade that I took this palette for, and this shade is nice. Okay, so I'm really very happy with this yellow shade, but I'm going to make it pop more. I think I'm going to do makeup with my fingers only, obviously.
Damn, it looks pretty. Oh wow, I am liking it. I'm quite liking it.
What do you guys think? Are you guys liking this? Okay, so I'm quickly going to do the other eye off camera and be right back. So guys, this is how the final look looks like, and I'm really happy the way it has turned out to be. And yeah, I want to add on over here is that I had to intensify the yellow even further because when I was doing this, it started fading out. So you have to put that extra effort in order to make this palette work. And yeah, I also have some falsies on, and I did a wing liner, so it completed the overall look. I also applied blush using this shade from the palette Neutrals. So I'll quickly swatch few shades from all the three palettes that I have and give the review after that. So now from the first palette, Neutrals, I'm going to swatch this shade for you guys. Now this is my favorite shade from this palette, and okay, so look at this, how pigmented it is. I really love this. I have already created one look using this. So from the Hypnotic palette, I'm going to use this shade over here. Look at it, it is so pigmented. I really love this. I was actually very much excited to try the matte palette because I was very impressed with these two palettes, but never mind. And now I'm going to try the purple shade over here. So as you can see, metallics काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे है, but mattes को you have to keep on building it up. But yeah, I think it's okay, you can build it up. So for the review, I would really like to tell you guys that you have to definitely invest in these palettes because it is very nice. I am like not really impressed with the mattes one, but I think थोड़ा efforts डाल के you can make this work just like I did. So yeah, इसका 50-50 opinion है मेरे लिए, but इसका I would suggest you guys 100%. I love these palettes. It is वेरी पिगमेंटेड एंड इसका जो कलर कोऑर्डिनेशन है बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है. ये पैलेट्स में आपको सारे शिमर शेड्स मिलेंगे विद फ्यू मैट्स एंड इसमें यू विल गेट ऑल द पिंक शेड्स. So I think this combo is very nice and obviously I got this in offer, so 1499 के लिए these palettes are a steal. आप ऐसा सोच लो कि ये free मिला आपको, but yeah, I think in future when you decide to play with colors, this will really come in handy. And this was my first time I learned how to make a color pop, so I'm really very happy that I did. And yeah, if you are a beginner just like I am, I think ये palettes काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. Don't worry, I leave everything in the description box below from where I got it, everything. Okay, so that was it for my today's video, guys. Let me know if you would like me to create more looks using these two palettes. I would really love to do that for you guys. And thank you so much for pushing me to do this because my YouTube fam was telling me, please like makeup look. And I know this wasn't a stepwise makeup look, but I would definitely do that in future. And I really wanted to challenge myself to do this look, and yeah, I'm really happy the way it has turned out. And please leave positive comments in the comments box below, and if there are any details that I missed out on in the description, let me know in the comments box. I would definitely answer that for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. So yeah, happy holidays to you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye bye.